The 2025 Carnival comes in 5 trim levels: LX, LXS, X, SX, and SX Prestige. The Kia Carnival has a sleek look, excellent handling, and a powerful V6 engine. The rear sliding doors of the Carnival are smaller than those of other vehicles due to its outside appearance, but the openings are still quite substantial. The front seating area and dashboard of the Carnival are elegant and cozy. A sizable center console provides lots of room for little object storage. At the same time, the truck's connectivity features may be easily accessed with the optional Mercedes-style dual-screen infotainment system including a digital display. Leather upholstery and optional pop-up footrests for the second row of seats are features of the top-tier SX Prestige model. A 12.0-inch infotainment screen is standard, and two 12.3-inch screens that fill 2/3 of the Carnival's dashboard are available, one for a digital gauge display and the other for infotainment purposes. The voice assistant is included into the infotainment system, and passengers may use it to unlock windows, adjust air control, or navigate to a specific location. We were able to fit 14 carry-on bags behind the seats in the third row and 48 overall when all the seats were folded down. The Kia Carnival's 3.5-liter V6 engine produces 287 horsepower and comes standard with an 8-speed automated gearbox. Kia also sells a Carnival hybrid with a 242 horsepower turbocharged hybrid engine, but we'll look at that one separately. The Carnival has EPA fuel economy estimates of 19 miles per gallon in the city, 26 miles per gallon on the highway, and 22 miles per gallon combined. The Carnival took the 75-mile fuel efficiency route as part of our thorough testing program and returned 28 miles per gallon highway, which is 2 miles per gallon more than the EPA figure. The 2025 Kia Carnival includes a number of standard driver support systems, such as lane keep assist, automatic high lights, and blind spot monitoring, which help it compete with models like the Pacifica, Sienna, and Honda Odyssey.